Hey. Sorry, later. Sorry. Come.
So this, kiss, and then be like, and then you stop me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
I mean, I changed my mind. No, it's not comfortable at all.
No, that's what I'm saying. Just take him up. Take him up. Like, gone up with her.
Sorry. But
Sorry. That's what I'm saying. That was really hard for you. But
Yeah.
hard for you.
It would have been so fucking nice.
is it because of the wood?
It would have been so
It's
nice.
because of the wood.
See, everything.
Oh.
And you know it's like this. So even my leg at the back is like this.
Okay, can you not sit?
Can I have the
See?
script?
Sit. Why
I
can't
want
you?
to change chair.
No, can you not sit on his?
Boring.
Wow.
It's boring. That's what I was saying.
Oh shit.
I'll try. I'll do it.
No, as in the way you say, but as in, I don't. Okay, you like spontaneously. But you can take him up.
Boring.
Yeah.
I would have contributed, but as the only virgin here, I
No, we're both learning.
yeah. That's it.
So I mean, if I come, just a quick CR.